Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm going to do a quick video telling you the three options you have when you are placing PPF or clear bra over top of vinyl decals or racing stripes or graphics. This comes up a lot, especially in our Corvette community, because many of the Corvettes are coming with the Jake logo in the front or racing stripes. So come check this out. All right, everyone, I said I had three main options for you if you have vinyl graphics on your vehicle. And the number one option that I do recommend to people is completely removing the vinyl graphics, placing the PPF or clear bra over top of the surface, and then replacing the graphics. Now, this can become an expensive project. Many people don't realize this, but OEM racing stripes can be upwards of $1,000 to $2,000 depending upon the car, or probably more. We just haven't seen it. So there is that additional cost. And then sometimes the graphics are not in stock. So for example, we did graphics on a GR86 10th anniversary, and when I tried to order the vinyl graphics from Toyota, they actually don't exist or didn't exist at the system at the time. So sometimes people with new cars, who are primary people getting a PPF, they don't have access to the actual OEM graphics that they need to replace it with. Another minor negative, so to speak, is that the graphics are then placed on top of the PPF, and they are vinyl, which doesn't stop rock chips. So what you have is, you may get your vinyl graphics damaged in the future because it's not protected by PPF. All right, probably our most popular option as of late is taking the PPF and placing it over top of the vinyl graphics. Now, if the vinyl graphics are matte or textured, this isn't a possibility because the PPF will not look correct over top of those vinyl graphics. But it is becoming a popular option, especially if we're talking about gloss racing stripes, gloss black racing stripes, or similar. Now, the reason this is a hesitation for some people is because the PPF goes over top of the vinyl. The vinyl is thinner, about 3 times as thin as PPF, and PPF is really thick. So where it goes up and over, it creates a bit of an air channel gap. And that air channel gap, which you'll see on the screen here, looks like a thin whitish gray strip. Now from a distance, you can't really see it depending upon the color of the car, and we try to mitigate it by heating it up and pushing it down, but it is something to note. But yet most people are completely okay with the way it looks when they actually see it in person. And so that's the con to doing it, of course, is that there is a bit of an air gap there, and also we can't do it over the matte and textured graphics. However, the upside is now your vinyl graphics are actually protected by PPF. All right, the final and probably least most popular option is hand cutting out around the vinyl. So let's say you have a vinyl racing stripe, I would place PPF over the top, and then I would hand cut the sides and remove the PPF off of the top of the vinyl. Now the benefit to this is there's absolutely no air gap, and it maintains the exact appearance of the vinyl. The PPF doesn't change it. It's also good if the racing stripes happen to be matte and you don't want to remove the racing stripes, and we can't put PPF over. So option, one of the other options it doesn't even exist. So the downside though is the vinyl is exposed and I still have to hand cut it. So it does take more time, it costs more money, and then your paint where the vinyl graphic is not protected because vinyl graphics do not stop rock chip. All right, hopefully this video was informative in giving you options if you have vinyl graphics on your vehicle and how we deal with it when we PPF.